SQ318 Singapore Airlines 777 hours now clear to land runway 27 left from Singapore Changi Airport. Some of the passengers on this flight is from Australia.